Hello, welcome back to Think with Digital. Today we are going to learn about how to calculate time on Clickup. For that, we will have to enter one of our workspace. Navigate to your workspace. If you are in the overview section, go to your list. Now create a task. Open a task with a subtask. Just tap on the plus sign. You will have your subtask under the task. Now go to timesheets. Tap on add row and search for a task. After adding that, tap on start timer and you can see here I have started my countdown. I started calculating my time in the my timesheet bar. Here you will be able to see how much time you have spent in each task, and timesheets are available in every workspace on Clickup. So with this timesheet turned on, you can make task display the sum of all time estimates from the parent task to any subtasks. That's it for today. Hope this helped you. We will see you in the next tutorial.